Good morning, class. Lesson 10, Degrees of Comparison. First of all, tell me what are adjectives. So, words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place, or thing are called adjectives. So, adjectives are describing words. And now, move on to degrees of comparison. Adjectives change in form when they show comparison, and here an adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another, when it is compared from one noun with another. Now adjectives are of three types: positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Now first one is the positive degree. So the positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. In positive degree, there is no comparison. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. For example, she has a big house. Okay, here there is no only one house is mentioned, so she has a big house. Second is the comparative degree is used to compare two objects, people, or places. Here the comparison of two objects, people, or places is done. For example, her house is bigger than my house. So here comparison of two houses is being done. Her house is bigger than my house. Third is the superlative degree. The superlative degree is used to compare more than two objects, people, or places. In superlative degree, we compare more than two objects, people, or places. For example, Meher's house is the biggest of all. This example means that Meher's house is biggest of all the houses. Now, few rules are given here. When the positive ends in E, we add only R and EST to the adjective. What we add? We add only R and EST. For example, large. Here large ends with E, and what we add for next to is R and ST. Large, larger, largest. Now next is when the positive ends in consonant plus Y. When the positive ends in consonant plus Y, we drop the Y and add IER and IEST. What we do? When the consonant ends with Y, consonant and plus Y. So here we drop the Y and what we write? IER and IEST. One example is given, lucky. LUCKY. Y is given here na. So instead of writing Y, what we will write here? IER and IEST. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Next is adjective ending in full, less, ing, ed. Use more and most. What we will use here? More and most with the objectives that ends in full, less, ing, ed. So here examples are given. Useful. So next what we will write? More useful and most useful. Boring. Ing is here. More boring and most boring. Next is some other adjectives of two syllables use more and most. Famous, more famous, and most famous. Next is we use than with the comparative degree and use the with the superlative degree. We use than with the comparative degree and use the with the superlative degree. For example, comparative degree, the sun shines brighter than the moon. Here comparison of sun and moon is given. Comparison of two things is given. So what we will write? Than. The sun shines brighter than the moon. Then next is superlative. Gurdeep is the fastest swimmer in the team. Here the is used. Here Gurdeep is being compared with his rest of the team. So what here we use? The. Gurdeep is the fastest swimmer in the team. Thank you.